Good morning, everyone. Michael here. Yes, beautiful Sunday morning. So we're gonna go to the garden center right next to our local supermarket and get some beautiful flowers. So let me show you what we're planning to get. So because I love this color so much, I wanna get lots more to put in the garden, like pop of color, like right around here. Because why not? And maybe we'll put some in the with the hydrangeas in the pots. So anyway, yeah, that's the plan for today, guys. Because there's not much to do, and I already did my makeup. Let me show you. Yes,
And I mowed the lawn.
I'm not doing all alone. Yeah, front and back. Yeah, look at my natural glow. Yes, guys. So let's go get some flowers. Yes. They're all gone, I guess. Yes, I don't see them. They look like this.
That's them. How many do you want?
Get that one too.
How many do you want?
So how many do we have so far?
There's 5 in there. This is 7.
I'll say one more, 8. Okay, that should be enough, yeah? Okay. What are these? Marigold?
Are they marigolds? They're dahlias.
Do they grow big?
They can do. And there's also these
I like these ones. What do we have? We have 4, yeah?
there are 8 of those and 6 of these.
Okay, 2 of these. Mint is ugly as hell. Oh no, look at this. Oh, how beautiful. This one. Instead of this one. Okay. And that's it, yeah?
And the potting mix.
And the bottom. We'll find space. Beautiful stuff.
Where the fountain is.
Mm-hmm. Put, yeah, so get 6. Beautiful.
Because I put some geranium in there, a geranium in there that was left in a pot from last year.
Mm-hmm. $3.99. It's a great deal. Look at all the beautiful plants we got. I think that should be it, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Smells so pretty. Look at all the colors. Beautiful. Okay, so we're gonna go pay and then go home. Yeah. I love this one. Okay, go pay. I'm just making beautiful. beautiful flowers. Look at this. $3.49. The colors are beautiful. Okay guys, see you when we get home, okay? Yeah, we're home, yes! Come on Milo! Yes Milo! Yes boy, yes! We got all the beautiful flowers. Yes! Well, they look like the flowers, but no, they're not really like... Yeah, they're the same. It's just that in the light it looks different. Let's see. So these are like the... You know what? Close enough. The color is beautiful, so I'm not gonna start being too picky. So I'm just gonna light them up. Let me just bring the chairs out because it's gonna get messy. I wish we had like smell-o-vision on YouTube, because the smell from all the flowers is so beautiful. Oh my god. And I gave Marlon and Sasha a nice bath yesterday, so they feel much better, and I gave them a trim on their bangs, so they could at least be able to see. They're gonna go in here at the bottom of the plants. That's the hibiscus plants. Geraniums, 3 for 99 cents. So I'm gonna mix the colors. So I'm just gonna put like different colors for each of the pots. There were 3 of these for 99 cents. And then we have these beautiful pink ones. More geraniums. This is my favorite season, because you get to see things grow, you know. It's so rewarding to see. Let me just put this one. Oh, this one has marigolds, so I'm gonna put these ones in the other one over there. Milo is already chilling in the couch. And Sasha has her own steps. Sasha, look at the steps. Good girl, Sasha. Because she has very weak legs. They're beautiful. Then we have the red ones. I'm gonna put in here. You see how nice it looks, guys? Like the red, the yellow, and the pink. Right over here. So we have the same combination. Another one. 1, 2. And we already put a special fertilizer. Look at the babies. Look at them. Hi Milo. Hi Sashi. Petty type. I don't think this will go with that, but this for here. Gorgeous. This color. I'm gonna put this 2 in here, in this pot, and the bees are starting to come into the flowers. Look, I don't know if you can see it. This is what they call Margarita purple, and it's the compact. This is gonna be fuchsia to break up the color from the rest of the stuff that we have. In here. I'm gonna put 2 in here. Because why not? For another pop of color. Another one, should I put it there? Why not? In here. I'm gonna put another one in here. I'm gonna put another one over there too. Next to the yellow one that we have. Or should we put this one in there too? Well, I'm gonna put this one next to the yellow one. Right here. Beautiful. So last year I made a big mistake of getting wildflower seeds, and I just took them and I just planted them, threw them out everywhere, and all those seeds are coming right back. I mean, I thought it was going to be like once a year, but look, everything is growing back. So be careful, guys, when you plant seeds like that. You may regret it. Look at how beautiful it looks. You see it already? Wow. Come on, steps. Come on. Come on, Sasha. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Good girl. Good girl, Sasha. Relax, mommy. Relax. Yes. I was wondering what's going on here. All this commotion. Look how beautiful the plants. That's gonna be beautiful. That pop of color in there. How do you call that tool?
I don't know, but it's really useful. I bought it for planting tulip bulbs a few years ago, but it's just the perfect size for these type of pots. It's a nice little hole.
Yeah. Look at that. This is Matthew's gardening tips, guys. Yes. Send comments or questions so he can answer you. If you have any gardening questions, he can answer them all to you, guys. Yes.
I'll do my best.
Yes. Perfect. And what's the name of that flower again? It's in the plastic is in there. Oh, the pretty purple flower. The English name? Oh, Margarita purple. Yes.
Yeah, well, I don't know what the English name is, but it's called Ostia.
Beautiful. And this in here is our fig tree.
It's an Olympia fig.
An Olympia fig, and it's growing wild. Look at all the roots. It's sending all these roots in there, so making new trees. So we have to be careful with that and just trim them. Because right over here, you see this root in here? This is gonna make more trees. That's a root. And we don't want that, so we need to cut that up. Oh, it's such a beautiful. But look how beautiful all the figs that are growing up.
That big tree in the back in the neighbour's garden. I found so many seedlings from that tree in the garden.
Oh wow.
So I just, every time I see one, I rip it out because we don't have room for another big tree.
Yeah. Look at how cute they are. Look at how cute they are, the babies. Look how cute they are. Oh my. I'm gonna have some iced tea and I'll be right back. Planting the big purple one and with these 2 small ones. Yeah.
You get a lot of walnuts in the garden because that house where that walnut tree is currently being renovated, and one of the neighbours said he hopes they pull that tree out, but I have a feeling they won't because the city likes big trees like that.
All around here.
Okay.
One right next to the other. and it's closer to the grass. So I think it's gonna be nice, like a border.
The good thing about geraniums, they say they're annuals, but they actually do come back every year. They're quite hardy plants most of the time, and you can grow them from cuttings.
Yeah, I think it's gonna look nice, like a border. No, it's okay. It's okay. Because this is drier, so
Closer you get to that,
the sprinklers.
the trees.
So you see, guys, this is why I love gardening so much.
Yeah. Michael is the Cecil B. DeMille.
Yes, of course.
Gardening.
Yeah.
Here, put that there.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna get some iced tea. Do you have anything to drink? Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna make a nice iced tea, Crystal Light, which we make. It's already done. Let me just put you guys down on a tripod. You see me? Yes. Okay. So let me get my big tumbler. I get like, I think it's, how many ounces? I don't even know. It's a lot. Okay, so I'm just gonna take some ice from the ice maker. And then you just take the iced tea. Fill it up. So guys, let me know if you like this kind of vlogs. I mean, it's something different. Come on, Milo. Come on, outside, Tasha. Come on, Tasha. Come on, Mommy. Okay. It's so good. It's so beautiful out here. So peaceful. This is what I like a lot. This is one of the things that I like most about Portland. It's like it rains for almost the whole 6 months. Come on, Milo. Come on. Come on, baby. Yes. She's in her own bed, Mamita. And Milo here. So then what I love about Portland is like, it rains almost 6 months for the winter and the fall. And then comes the spring and summer. It's beautiful, beautiful, full of color, very luscious. Especially if you have a nice backyard. Or any backyard, even a balcony, you can just make it pretty. You just buy different kinds of pots and they just plant pretty flowers that inspire you, and just look at them and just enjoy the colors, and just... Can you listen to that bird? Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, guys, I'm gonna leave it like this at this for now. So guys, again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and activate the bell so I can get you updated whenever I post new videos. And so, Matthew, say goodbye.
Bye.
Okay, guys, ta-ta.